Hello, today you will learn about
Bonjour. Let's practice today passé composé with I are verbs. The past tense with second group verbs. Let's have a look at I are verbs in passé composé. Before we practice, let's have a recap of what is passé composé? Passé composé is a past tense. If I had to say past tense in English, for example, I have chosen. So, I am using chosen. Because
choisir,
which means to choose is a second group verb. Doesn't belong to irregular verb section. Here we have, I have chosen. Why is that a past tense? Because it has chosen an auxiliary have, which is in the past. In English we can say I chose or I have chosen. But in French you must define the passé composé as I have chosen. So, it's an action that took place in the past and it's done over with. What do you need to form a passé composé as I have chosen? You need a subject pronoun that means you need
je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle.
That's the subject pronoun. You need either auxiliary to have,
Avoir,
or to be,
être.
in the present tense. To form I have chosen, we use the auxiliary avoir in the present tense. Plus, the past participle of the conjugated verb. In the second group verb, how do you form the past participle of the verb? Well, you just take the verb. For example,
Choisir,
means to choose. And we want to extract the past participle out of that. How do you form that? Quite simply we use the ir verb as a regular verb because it always follows the same pattern. Now you drop the r, quite simple, and that gives you past participle. Chosen. So let me show you another example.
choisir.
Means to choose so.
Tu as choisi.
You have chosen or you chose. Quite simple, drop the r and, I left it as it is, to form the past participle. Finir means to finish, and when you put the passé composé together, you need subject pronoun. You need avoir in the present tense and the past participle. You want to say, I have finished or I finished, you say.
J'ai fini. Remplir.
Means to fill. He has filled or he filled will be.
Il a rempli.
Now let's look at, quickly, we want to conjugate the verb avoir in the present tense.
J'ai.
I have.
Tu as.
You have.
Il a.
He has.
Elle a.
She has.
On a.
One has.
Nous avons.
We have.
Vous avez.
You have.
Ils ont.
They have.
Elles ont.
They have. Without this you don't have past tense. So, être must be sometimes used in the passé composé.
Je suis.
I am.
Tu es.
You are.
Il est.
He is.
Elle est.
She is.
On est.
One is.
Nous sommes.
We are.
Vous êtes.
You are.
Ils sont.
They are.
Elles ont.
They are. All of these comes with the past participle that makes the past tense. Only reflexive verbs and movement verbs use.
Être.
In the passé composé. Example of other verbs from the second group.
Garantir.
To guarantee.
Finir.
To finish.
Vomir.
To vomit.
Guérir.
To heal.
Remplir.
To fill up.
Maigrir.
To lose weight.
Obéir.
To obey.
Punir.
To punish.
Nourrir.
To nourish.
Grossir.
To get fat. Now, let's have a look at some examples. Now we are going to practice some examples. We are going to put the verbs in the past tense. They are all from the second group and conjugated in the same way. He fed the fish in the aquarium.
Il a nourri les poissons dans l'aquarium.
How did we do that? For the past participle, just drop the R and leave the verb as it is, and add the auxiliary. I chose a red dress for the party.
J'ai choisi une robe rouge pour la fête.
I have finished my homework.
J'ai fini mes devoirs.
Now I want you to put this sentence into negative. How do we do that? The negation is na plus verb plus pas. When the negation is in the passé composé, you must have the auxiliary in between na and pas and then fini. Example. I did not finish my homework.
Je n'ai pas fini mes devoirs.
The teacher punished the student for his behavior.
Le professeur a puni l'élevé pour son comportement.
Another. We gained weight by eating a lot of desserts.
Nous avons grossi en mangeant beaucoup de desserts.
These were some examples using passé composé. Try to make as many examples using IR verbs. That's it for today's lesson. Hope this video was helpful.
Au revoir et à bientôt.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.